I've not tried this before, but I'm going to try making a mackerel, new potato and watercress salad with horseradish. Start by placing the mackerel skin side down on the baking tray. I've never had mackerel before. This will be interesting. And then going to drizzle over half a lemon juice and season with pepper and sprinkle over some chilli flakes. It's a cute spoon. And then going to bake for 15 minutes. So now I'm going to start making the dressing. First I'm going to chop an onion, then add it into the bowl. A tablespoon of horseradish. Yes, it fits. It's important that it's a measured amount, and I'm going to add that to the onions. Now I'm going to add 75 grams of yogurt, which is 5 tablespoons. Then going to add the juice of 1 lemon. Try not to get any pips in it. So I'm whisking it together now and adding a little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to make my salad, and I'm going to start by chopping some cabbage. Then going to chop my tomatoes in half and adding them to the bowl with the cabbage. Then going to start plating up. Start with some watercress. Then going to add my salad. Then going to add my cooked baby potatoes that have been sliced as well. Then I'm going to get the mackerel and flake it onto my salad. I'm going to add my dressing on. So I'll try to get a bit of everything. Really nice and really fresh. It's actually really surprised me. Really nice. I'm glad I tried something new.